Have you ever pondered over the nature of reality? How much of it is a tangible, external world, and how much of it is simply the product of our own minds? The question of what is real and what is imagined is as old as human thought itself, but the answer may surprise you. In our quest to understand reality, we must first understand perception. Perception is our mind's interpretation of the world around us. But what shapes this interpretation? The answer lies in the intricate workings of our brains, specifically in the function of neurotransmitters. These are chemical messengers that transmit signals from one neuron to another, playing a crucial role in how we perceive and interact with the world. Serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphin are the 4 key neurotransmitters that have the most significant impact on our perception. They are responsible for half of the way we perceive the world. Serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a significant role in mood regulation. A high level of serotonin generally translates to a positive mood, enabling us to see the world in a brighter, more optimistic light. Dopamine, the reward neurotransmitter, is linked to motivation and pleasure. It rewards us with feelings of satisfaction and happiness when we achieve our goals or engage in activities we enjoy. Oxytocin, known as the love hormone, governs our social interactions and our ability to connect with others. It helps us to perceive the world as a place full of potential friends and partners rather than a hostile environment. Lastly, endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, help us to cope with physical and emotional stress. They allow us to perceive challenging situations as manageable rather than overwhelming. 40% of our perception is shaped by our ability to manage our dopamine system, to set goals, motivate ourselves, and derive pleasure from achieving those goals. Interestingly, only a meager 10% of our perception is influenced by the world itself, that is, by external circumstances. This means that a staggering 90% of our perception of the world is shaped internally. So, the question of reality and perception is not merely philosophical, but deeply biological. Our perception of reality is largely a product of our own minds, shaped by the intricate dance of neurotransmitters within our brains. In summary, the perception of reality is a complex process that is shaped by a combination of our neurotransmitters, our ability to manage our dopamine system, and the impact of external circumstances. This understanding not only reveals the profound influence our minds have on our perception of reality, but also underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy brain for a positive perception of the world. Therefore, the world as we know it is far more than just the physical reality around us. It is a complex tapestry woven together by our brains, shaped by our neurotransmitters, and colored by our thoughts and emotions. It's time to recognize that our perception shapes our reality far more than we might think.